Hello everyone, this is Tim, and today I'm going to talk about my assessment tool, which is called fading. Firstly, I'm concerned with the issue of the ocean, the bleaching and disappearance of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia due to environmental impacts. Turning to my concept statement, I will briefly explain my entire design concept through my final concept board. And here you can see my color palette. Inspired by the work of artists Alessandro and Vanessa, this installation uses a combination of soft and light yarns from light to dark and three-dimensional structure of lens. It expresses the vivid forms of coral and its gradual bleaching process. And here is my final sketch, which gives me a general idea of direction I want to take. In the sketch, you can see the lens section. I will use wire and ramp lines of different thickness around it to create a three-dimensional lens. And there will be 3 layers, and from top to bottom, thin to thick. And the progression of the line suggests the fading process of the coral. The white ball and white French knots in the installation are based on the white flower floating inheritance lens wedding wire, which fall on the coral and slowly affect it, as if the public has done something to affect the environment, gradually affect the coral. The next section is the result of my final project, where we can see the change of the thickness of the lens from top to bottom, and a gradual whitening of the coral below from dark to light in color. Then the next part shows the techniques I use for this project. The main technique is punch needle embroidery, and also including hand twisting, embroidery, and crochet, etc. The background is combination of natural dye and acrylic paint. Also, the lens is micromade knock lens, and I made some sample and experiments before completing the final project. I have tried different techniques, and here is my process. Here are my process of my design. And some detail of the project outcome. On the left is the pro section, and on the right is lens section. For this installation, it will be placed at the entrance of the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, and the ratio of metro scale is 1:7. The daily maintenance of the installation will be left to the aquarium staff, and also to ensure safety, the lens structure is high enough to be out of the reach of children. Visitor will be able to feel the different texture of the coral by touching it as well. To give visitor a deeper understanding of the information of the project, I presented the description of the work in the form of slogan, which are enjoy the colorful roofs, then don't let them fade away, protect the nature, save the beauty. Last but not least, the aim of this project is to encourage visitors not to forget the important roles of underwater coral reefs when viewing marine animals. The installation also hopes that visitors will reduce their carbon footprint and start doing some small things around them to raise their awareness of the needs of protect the beautiful coral or biodiversity and the environment in order to achieve sustainable development. And then here is my reference list. Thank you.